Hi guys, welcome to another video. It might be a little loud. It's because I'm just now in a boat because I chose to go with the boat. I'm not a strong swimmer, so there's no way I'm going to mess around with the whatever underwater. So I made a boat tour. I don't know what you call it. Glass boat, exactly. Glass boat. So when we are down, we might see some fish. I hope so. I don't know, but let's see what comes along. I wish I had brought my regular camera because I'm not sure if this will show anything underwater, but I will try, but I don't think so. Anyway, we'll see what comes. It's funny, I didn't even ask how long this tour will last or anything. It was just, oh, okay, let's go, I'm in. But let's see what comes of it. I don't know what's there. We shall see. But up to now, no fish, no nothing. But I have to say, the water here is so clean. You can really, that's an understatement, but here you can really see up to the seabed without making a joke. You can see, I don't know if you can see that, but you can really see up to the seabed. Anyway, I really wanted to take I don't know the name. My first choice was a different kind of boat, but it seems the guy who was selling it had no commissions or whatever from that company, so he kept pushing this at me. So I thought, why not? We'll see what comes there.